Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So in this video we are going to discuss about GBPJPY. First of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we gave in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we did this analysis and we share our trading plans that will open a sell trade below this support level and buy trade above this resistance level. So let's see here. Okay, so I told that we will open a buy trade above this resistance level. So this candle break the resistance and close above this resistance. The next candle come down to retest this resistance area and then goes up. When this candle breaking the previous top wick, then there was a good buy trade. Your SL should be almost here and your TP11 almost I'm using 1-2 risk reward, but yeah, we got only one more risk reward. That the reason is that we have wicks here, so these wicks are working as a resistance. That's why we got only one more risk reward. So that was a good trade. 1-1 was also a good, not bad, almost 10 pips. So mostly I'm saying that 10, 15 or 20 pips are enough for an intraday trader. Okay, so these were the trading plans of yesterday's. So let's do some fresh analysis for today. So first of all, we will go on H1 time frame. Okay, so this is the H1 time frame. First of all, we will remove this arrow, remove this area and remove this area. First of all, we will go on D1 time frame. Okay, so according to D1 time frame, the first of all, you know that GBPJPY is in a buy trend. So market make a new high, comes down to make a higher low, and then going upward. And this candle is closed bullish. So right now, if market break the previous candle high, then there's a high probability chance to go market up to touch this previous high, or it can go up also. Okay, so now we will go on H4 time frame and let's see what's going on. Oh good. On H4 time frame, we have a resistance level, and if market break this resistance level, there's a high probability chance to fill this range, almost 55 pips range. That will be a good trade. So let's come on H1 time frame and see what's going on here. So we have the same resistance level. Let's watch on M30 time frame. We have same resistance on M30 time frame, and if market break this resistance, then there's a high probability chance to go market up, and you can get easily 15 to 20 pips very easily. So you know how to take entry. If you want exact entry or exit points of our trading ideas which we share daily, so you can join our WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. You can contact us on WhatsApp and join our group. So please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live Forex analysis. See you in next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.